So 5, what going to do?
Let's go meet Anne.
Okay, 5, come on. Hey Anne, what Zoe Rose and what it name? I name in number 5. Oh, number 5.
Hi Anne, what's up?
Yeah, 5. Okay, 5, I got more, come on. Okay, 5, I got a few.
Oh, few, yeah, Zoe Rose, that is good.
Okay, 5.
Hey Zoe Rose.
What do you want, 5?
Look on me, Zoe Rose.
El güero y Cookie se quieren, se dan sus...
Oh my gosh, 5. Okay, 5, I want to look cute.
Okay, come on, Zoe Rose.
Hi, Zoe Rose.
Hi, what are you do going?
Oh, Zoe Rose, I like to. Taken.
Help, 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 help.
Oh, I can found Zoe, now I got to found.
Oh, help, help.
Shut up, Zoe Rose, and now I going to die.
No, don't kill me.
Too bad, Zoe Rose, now it's time.
No, 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 no. Help, 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 help. Somebody help me. Oh, yeah, you saved me 5.
So you taken Zoe Rose to kill.
Yes.
Okay, now, I got Zoe Rose and don't taken one more time. Bye, a small.
Oh my gosh, thanks 5 to save me.
Yeah, Zoe, it cute.
Yeah, 5, come on, let cute.